Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that happens often that companies want is to do bug bounty programs to find out any major bugs in their software or even in hardware. And what happens is that usually it comes with an amount of money if you find some of these bugs. So Microsoft is going to launch a bug bounty program that focuses on the AI that is powered in Bing website. It could be the Bing chat that is in the Edge browser. It could be the integration that it has with Skype or any other applications. Microsoft Start even on iOS and on Android devices. So anything that uses the Bing AI chat for something and its integration into devices will be checked out. So you actually, what they are saying is that qualified submissions will be eligible for rewards from $2,000 to $15,000 US. And so, of course, there's a Microsoft Bounty website. And basically what they want to do, and it's normal, is to check if there's any vulnerabilities, if there's anything that maybe they haven't thought of or they didn't think about. You know, this is going to happen more and more with everything because as we go forward, AI is very powerful. And it has to be controlled in a way so that it actually works well, doesn't do things we don't want to, and also doesn't actually make us more vulnerable. So it's kind of normal. So they have interference and manipulation vulnerability types. They have model manipulation types, interferential information disclosure. So any type of bug that could in some way interfere with information and disclosure of information, including private information that maybe shouldn't be out there. So this is going to be interesting to see what the bug bounty will bring. But I think it's an important step here to make sure that the bug bounties are fixing bugs and maybe security at the same time. So as you see here, a lot of information of bug bounty. Bug bounty programs exist for all sorts of things, by the way. There's one for Windows. There's some for Office. Anybody that finds a flaw or a security flaw actually gets paid for these information so that they can be fixed. And that's why actually a lot of people, that's why we find bugs. Because these companies, make sure that a lot of security researchers, some actually do just that. They work day in, day out in finding flaws that could be exploited, and then tells Microsoft, gets a nice check, and gets paid for that. So we got these good people that get paid to find the bugs that keep us safe, basically, and the same thing needs to happen for AI. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.